Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for all my seafood lovers out there. We all know that delicious feeling of digging into a perfectly cooked salmon or enjoying some crispy fish and chips. But did you know there are certain foods that can turn your tasty fish dish into a health hazard? That's right. We're talking about the 6 foods you should never mix with fish. Stick around, because we're about to unlock the secrets to enjoying your favorite seafood dishes while keeping your tummy happy and healthy. Get ready for some surprising food combinations you'll want to avoid. First up, let's talk about dairy. We all love a creamy sauce or a sprinkle of cheese, right? But when it comes to fish, dairy can be a real party pooper for your digestive system. You see, fish, especially those oily, delicious ones, are notorious for being a little harder to digest. And when you add dairy into the mix, things can get, well, a little backed up. Dairy products tend to be heavy and can slow down your digestion. This can lead to bloating, gas, and that uncomfortable too full feeling. And nobody wants that after a meal. So, next time you're craving a creamy sauce with your fish, consider a plant-based alternative like coconut milk or a light lemon herb sauce. Your stomach will thank you. Eggs are a breakfast staple, and for some, they're a welcome addition to any meal. But hold on. Before you crack that egg over your fish, let's talk about why this combination might not be the best idea. Both fish and eggs are high in protein, which is great for building muscles and keeping you full. However, this dynamic duo can also be a double whammy for your cholesterol levels. Eating too much cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease, and nobody wants that. Plus, just like with dairy, combining eggs and fish can be a bit much for your digestive system to handle. So, unless you're making a very specific traditional dish where eggs and fish are combined, it's best to enjoy them separately. Now, this one might come as a surprise. Citrus fruits like lemons and limes are often squeezed over fish to add a burst of flavor. But did you know that this citrusy addition could actually be preventing you from getting the most out of your meal? Fish is a fantastic source of iron, a mineral that's crucial for healthy blood cells. However, the vitamin C in citrus fruits can interfere with iron absorption. This means you might not be getting all the iron your body needs from that delicious piece of fish. But don't ditch the citrus altogether. Simply enjoy your lemon wedges on the side, or use them as a garnish after your fish has cooked. That way you can still enjoy the flavor without compromising on nutrients. Chapter 4. Yogurt and Fish. A gut feeling you should avoid. Yogurt is often touted as a healthy and delicious snack or meal addition. It's packed with probiotics, good for digestion, right? Well, yes, but not when it comes to fish. Just like with dairy, the combination of yogurt and fish can lead to digestive distress. The bacteria in yogurt can interact with the proteins in fish, leading to gas, bloating, and even an upset stomach. Plus, the strong flavor of some yogurts can overpower the delicate taste of the fish, ruining the flavor profile of your meal. If you're looking for a side dish to complement your fish, stick to lighter options like steamed vegetables or a side salad. Chapter 5. Beans, the musical fruit, but not with fish. Beans are a nutritional powerhouse full of fiber and protein. But when paired with fish, let's just say it can create a symphony of sounds in your stomach that you'd rather not hear. Both beans and fish are known to be a little harder to digest. Combining them is like doubling down on the digestive difficulty, which can lead to gas, bloating, and even stomach cramps. And let's be honest, nobody wants to feel like a human balloon after a meal. So keep your beans and fish separate for a happy tummy and a more enjoyable dining experience. Chapter 6. Alcohol and Fish. A Hangover. Waiting to happen? Now let's talk about everyone's favorite adult beverage, alcohol. While a glass of wine with fish might seem like the perfect pairing, it's important to be mindful of how alcohol can affect your digestion, especially when fish is on the menu. Alcohol can irritate the stomach lining and interfere with the enzymes responsible for breaking down food. This can slow down the digestion process, leading to indigestion and discomfort. And when it comes to fish, which can already be a little tricky to digest, adding alcohol to the mix can exacerbate these issues. So, if you choose to enjoy alcohol with your fish, do so in moderation and stay hydrated. Outro. Stay healthy, friends. So there you have it, the 6 foods you should avoid mixing with fish. Remember, enjoying seafood is all about balance and making smart choices to keep your tummy happy and healthy. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy eating tips and tricks. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can also enjoy delicious and safe seafood meals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.